Here we go. Nandito na yung drinks namin, yung koi. Pinili ko yung milk. Kumain na napakaraming pagkain. Nandito naman kami sa drinks. Try namin. Hindi try. Tagang paborito ko to. Koi.
Asa ba si dito?
Nandun pa. Mamaya sila tayo. Koi at Chinatown Point. Masarap siya. Taiwan. Mga drinks. Ayan. Bibiling ko yung milk tea caramel. Waiting for my order. The number there. Sa loob pa kami ng ano. Can you use cash?
Yeah lah. Yeah. Order here.
Yeah. Kailangan ko lang ng machine. Milk tea. Please select milk tea. And then, yeah, caramel milk tea.
Hot, cold. Medium ah. One.
Yeah, one.
One medium and one. Ay, bakit hindi pa?
Select normal.
Normal.
Sugar.
Less or what?
50%.
Less.
Less.
Less sugar.
Yeah, less sugar.
Less ice one.
Less ice also.
Oh, 50 only mah?
Yeah.
50, yeah?
And then less ice. She said less ice.
No, don't less ice. Don't less ice.
Yeah, she
But
want
not
less
cool.
ice.
Ah, nako, okay lang.
You want the less
Yeah, just
sugar.
less sugar.
This one half.
25. Yeah.
25. She doesn't want the very sweet.
May
Then this
ano.
one please select ha. Like that.
Ano pa ba?
Correct lah.
Okay,
Please select.
select.
Select first. Okay. Next.
Toppings.
No one. No
No
topping.
topping.
Wait.
Order continue. Plus, you need one more?
And
But-
then how to...
Plus one.
How to put large? Mini large.
Yeah, let's just pay lah. And then just...
Plus one,
I think.
No, plus one.
Ah,
Two lah.
two.
Oh,
But the sugar,
less sugar.
25%.
Then how?
Cancel lah. You try minus.
Minus, continue yung ordering. Ayun.
Okay.
Like that lah. Caramel milk tea again lah.
Last one lah. You want last one?
Large.
Normal.
50.
Alam mo sa
50%.
diabetes.
Never see 50 di ba?
Next. Then total 850.
Okay.
That's our order.
That's all ah.
Yeah, pay. Okay, that's it.
Pay
Then
or
cash, the dollar one, cash at counter.
go back home. Bye bye.
Okay. Here we go. Nandito na yung drinks namin, yung koi. Pinili ko yung milk caramel tea.